In this video, I am going to guide you on how to view fare estimates before booking a ride in the Moovn app. Knowing the estimated fare helps you plan your budget better and avoid surprises. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your smartphone. 2. Log into your account using your credentials. 3. Enter your pickup location in the designated field. 4. Enter your drop-off location to proceed. 5. The app will automatically calculate and display the fare estimate. 6. Check the fare shown for different available vehicles option. 7. You can switch between vehicle types to compare prices. 8. Review the estimated fare before confirming your ride request. It allows you to compare prices between different vehicle types.